we're going to do is we're going to go after use the same coordinates, but instead of doing all four of the slopes, let's do a quick one with find the same length. Verify that the lengths match up. So we already know that here, let me go back a second here. We already know that AB and CD are parallel, right? We proved that with this here. So I'm just going to repeat that. That AB and CD have a slope of 5. So slope of AB and CD equals 5. So that establishes that they are, that they're parallel. Let's make sure they're congruent now, because that's another way I could approach this. So let's see. So AB, the length of it, remember the distance formula? Take the difference of the two x's, square it, add it to the difference of the two y's, square it, and take the square root of the whole thing. So AB is going to be -3 minus -2 squared. And y is 2 minus 7 squared. That whole thing is under the radical. Let's see. I'm going to go across here. Clean this up. -3 minus -2 is plus. So that becomes 1. 2 minus 7 is -5. So that becomes the square root of 26. That's going to be some crazy decimal. Let's just leave it there for now. Because remember, the goal is to show that they're equal. So I could crank that down to get 5.2, 5.1. 5.1, might be less than that. But around there, roughly 5. Let's see if I get the same thing when I do CD. CD. Oh, sorry, Chip. Wait, what?
What does that say?
Where?
Square root of 1 squared, is that plus?
Plus a -5 squared. Yeah. Now if I do the same thing with CD, I should get the same value. Let's double check it though. 2 minus 1 quantity squared. 4 minus -1 quantity squared. Square root all of that. This becomes 1 squared. This becomes 5 squared, which is the square root of 26. And my main goal here was just to review was really to get to the distance formula as part of the review. So that if a problem says, hey, verify that this works by showing opposite sides are congruent, or a pair of sides is parallel and congruent, you remember that's what you're going after. Parallel means that you're looking for the same slopes. Congruent, you're looking for the same length or distance. And then bisects, same midpoint.